Two tech giants, two flagship devices, the Pixel 9 Pro XL and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The question is, which one takes the crown in 2024? Let's dive in and find out. Starting with the design, the Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a minimalist look with matte aluminum edges and a frosted glass back. Meanwhile, the iPhone 16 Pro Max continues Apple's tradition of elegance with its titanium frame and ceramic shield front. Both feel premium, but the Pixel offers more color options, while the iPhone emphasizes durability. Which one's design speaks to you? Let us know in the comments. Displays are a key feature. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 6.8-inch OLED panel with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate and Quad HD Plus resolution. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro Max packs a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display with promotion technology. Both screens are stunning, but the Pixel edges out in pixel density, while the iPhone shines with peak brightness under direct sunlight. When it comes to cameras, the Pixel 9 Pro XL sports a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens, offering up to 10 times optical zoom. The iPhone 16 Pro Max counters with its 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide, and a new 5 times telephoto lens. Which performs better? The Pixel is known for its computational photography, excelling in low-light shots, while the iPhone offers more natural tones and excellent video stabilization. Videographers might lean toward the iPhone, but photographers may favor the Pixel. Under the hood, the Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's Tensor G4 chip, optimized for AI and machine learning tasks. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is equipped with the blazing fast A18 Bionic, a performance beast in every sense. For software, the Pixel offers a pure Android 15 experience with exclusive AI features, while the iPhone runs iOS 18, known for its ecosystem integration and seamless performance. If you're an Apple user, sticking with iOS might make sense, but for customization and AI-driven tools, the Pixel stands out. Battery life on both devices is impressive, with the Pixel 9 Pro XL slightly ahead, thanks to better optimization. Both support fast charging, but the Pixel includes a charger in the box, something Apple doesn't do anymore. Wireless charging? Both got you covered. The Pixel 9 Pro XL starts at $999, making it slightly more affordable than the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which starts at $1,199. Both offer premium features, but the choice ultimately comes down to what you prioritize: camera versatility, performance, or ecosystem compatibility. So, which flagship will you pick in 2024? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech comparisons. See you in the next video.